How to fix Instagram Messenger update not showing. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. As you can see here, I do not have the Instagram Messenger update, the messenger icon, so I will show you how you can fix this problem. I know that a lot of people do not have this update, or the one with the chat theme, or the one with the swipe reply update. So I have a few tutorials for these problems in the description box below, so you can check them out. So guys, I have a few methods for you that you can try to fix this problem. And at the end of the video, you will see that you will get your updates. First of all, we will have to go to Play Store. This is a basic solution, but it works for most of the people, so you should try it too. First of all, you have to go to Instagram, search for Instagram, and then you have to see if you have the update button. So if you have it, make sure to update your app. After that, you can go to your Instagram and see if the chat appeared. If you still don't have your messenger icon, your messenger update, I have another method for you to try, and that is logging out of your Instagram and then logging again. And then you have to go to your settings, to your phone settings, scroll down until you get to apps. From here, you can either scroll down until you find Instagram, or you can just click on this search icon from the right top corner, search for Instagram, click on the app, and then at the middle of the page, you will see here storage option. From here, you have to clear the data and the cache. If you clear the data, you have to know that it will log you out from your app. So what this does, this will restart your Instagram app, and hopefully you will get all the updates. After that, I have another method for you to try. So that is going to your Instagram app and then click on your profile and then click on those three lines from the right top corner and then go to settings. From here, you have to go to help. Then click to report a problem. Then click on report a problem once again. And now you have to take a screenshot of your problem. So click on this button here, take screenshot. Now you have to go to your home page and click on this icon here. And what this will do, it will take a screenshot of your Instagram homepage. And with this, they will see that you do not have that messenger icon. So they will be aware that you have problems with Instagram updates right now. Now you have to briefly explain what happened and what's not working. You have to type in here, "Hi Instagram team. I do not have the Instagram Messenger update. Please solve this problem for me." Now you have to add your username, your phone number, and your email so you can be contacted there. You will get a reply from Instagram in 72 hours or 4 days. So if you do have problems with Instagram right now, you can comment in the comment section down below your thoughts about it, your questions, what specific problems you are having with Instagram right now, and I will make sure to answer to your questions as quickly as possible and help you with your problems. Also, you can like this video if it was useful and subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic and for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.